Hello friends, the very important chapter here in your aptitude is arithmetic progression, and in this arithmetic progression there are two important formulas that you are going to apply for the whole chapter, and the questions can vary from the number of logs to be arranged or the number of students getting passed out from a degree college, something like that. So let us try to understand what is happening here in this arithmetic progression. Suppose if I write a number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, immediately in your mind you can say the next number will be 18, next number will be 20, next number will be 22, and so on, right? So this is what is called as arithmetic progression. Now here there are some terms and conditions that this series can be declared as arithmetic progression on certain conditions. So what are these conditions? The first of all, the thing is the difference between this number and this number. 22 minus 20 is 2, 20 minus 18 is 2, 16 is 2, here it is 2. So everywhere if you see the value, the difference, common difference is 2. The difference between the first term and the next term is always 2. So this is the reason I will call it as arithmetic progression. Okay. Now, here there is an important formula, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now for example, what is the meaning of this a? A is always the first term. A is always the first term. So in this case, my a is 2. N is number of terms. Maybe it is, here it is 11 terms. So if I ask you what is the 51st term, then you have to use this n is equal to 51. If I ask you what is the 100th term, then you have to use n as 100. Okay, total number of terms. Okay, then n, I'll just write here, n is nothing but number of terms and d is nothing but the common difference. Okay, the common difference can be anything. It can be negative also sometimes. This series can be negatives also. So that time also you have to be careful with finding the common difference. So with this you have to find the value, that is with the help of this formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Fine. The next kind of questions will be asked on what is the sum of all this series, like total the first 10 terms. This is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. What is the sum of all these values? So here the formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is nothing but the summation of the series which is in arithmetic progression. N is the number of terms, a is the first term, then d is the common difference. Okay, so these are the two important formulas that you are going to use in arithmetic progression. And now the questions keep changing, like they may give you the term. Okay, the 20th term is this much, find what is the common difference. Okay, out of these 4 terms they may ask you any one term to be found out. So you need little more practice. So in this video I'm just explaining what is arithmetic progression and the basics, and what are the two formulas to be applied. So if these two formulas you know, you can solve n number of questions in arithmetic progression. So in this video it's only about this kind of questions like an and Sn. Now when you go in higher classes, that is in 11th and 12th, so in 11th you have series which is like directly they will give you questions like the pth term is the qth term. Okay, there are p terms in a series, the pth term is the qth term, something like that. If you are thorough with this basics, you can easily solve it. So enough from this section of AP. Let us start easy so that we can solve little higher questions very easily and comfortably. See you in the next video with some other interesting topics. Thank you.